This is usually not how you see me. This is at the end of the day. It is like 7 p.m. I am in my robe. My makeup is worn down. I've had it on for like a good 14 hours. Like this is not the best version of Adrika, but this is also the best version of Adrika because I don't know, I just think I'm better when I'm slightly sleep deprived and tired and just exhausted. But today I'm gonna tackle a very big project that I've been meaning to do for a very long time. And here we are in my bedroom again, tackling this project together because I need to declutter my closet. I think I have the same closet from high school despite being a completely different person with a different lifestyle, with a different need for clothes, and it just needs to change. I can't look like a 15-year-old girl dressing herself anymore because that doesn't make any fucking sense, okay? It doesn't make any fucking sense and it needs to go. So before I can bring new clothes in, I really need to get the stuff out because I ran out of hangers. Yes, I do have the felt like velvet hangers. Yes, they take up less space, and yes, I did use up all of them. Despite having so many clothes that I feel like I don't even like and I don't even wear. So my room is a mess because again, it's Friday. I'm filming this on Friday night, and this is the events of the entire week leading up because I usually clean on the weekend. So please don't judge me, okay? This is real life. Yo, I really don't know how to act because it's like I'm up, I'm like out, I'm walking. Yeah, okay, anyways. So, I introduced this to you guys the other video, the last video that I made. This is my my new cabinet. Now, there is clothes inside there and you can see my reflection, hello. But that's not mine. That whole top section, that's like linens at the top. That's my blankets over there, and then this is my boyfriend's clothes, and then this section is mine at the bottom because I'm a shorty and it's just better for me if I just get the bottom section. So I recently just did this, so these are all of my bottoms slash shorts slash skirts slash anything that you wear on the bottom half of your body. Okay, the one problem I will say, if you ever buy these, because these are from IKEA, they wobble so scarily. It feels like it's going to topple on top of you any second now, and it's just slightly terrifying. Just slightly, but I like living life on the edge. I'm gonna start from here down because those are my thing. I should get a stool, but my ass is just gonna sit on the floor because, excuse me, this is my own house, okay? This is my own fucking house, and I'll sit on this damn floor. So, what do we have? I think I separated this into leggings, skirts, and shorts, and then these are jeans and other pants and stuff. These I recently got, I remember I got them from Aerie. They're leggings, and I haven't even worn them. Do you wanna know why? Because despite being a small, which is usually what I am, these are so tiny and so tight, and they barely fit over my ass. These are this is a small, regular rise short. I have it in like this wine color and this black color. I'm gonna try this on, all right? I'm gonna try this on for you guys. This is not a porno, so look away, look away. This is just embarrassing, but they don't even go over my ass anymore. They're very tight. I hope I still have the receipt for these because I would really like to return them. So initially I bought those leggings to replace these ones because I got these from Express a very, very, very long time ago, and they were my favorite leggings ever. They are the stretchiest material, as you can see. These are incredibly stretchy. These I got in a size small as well, but the quality is just amazing on these. Like, they're extremely comfortable. Like, I love these. I've worn these to death. I've washed these to death, so these I get extreme wear out of. They are a little bit too long for me, so I do have to cuff them at the bottom because my ass is lazy and I never got them hemmed. So I have both a black one and a gray one, and I know I have another black one because I love these that much, and I'm not really sure if they make these anymore. But I was trying to find a replacement for these because they have become very old and battered with the Aerie leggings, but the Aerie leggings are not the same material. they're not as stretchy, they're definitely not as breathable, and I'll just have to stick to these because these have washed and worn so well despite being from a fast fashion brand. Did you guys know that Express was fast fashion? I didn't think so until recently when I discovered that they were, and that indeed they are fast fashion. And I was like, what? I thought fast fashion was just supposed to be like super dirt cheap, but they're not. They're not. These are sweatpants. But these are like performance sweatpants, so I'm keeping these because these are one of the only pairs that I do own. These are, oh, another pair of sweatpants, LOL. I will also be keeping these because this is the second pair that I own, and that right there is the third pair that I own. So these three I will be keeping because I literally only have 3 of them. I don't know, I was just always more of a leggings girl than a sweatpants girl, so I never really bought them. So at least I freed up some space here because that's it, bro. I have 3 sweatpants and 2 leggings because I don't know where the other one went. This Express jean skirt I am in love with. I wear this constantly, especially during the summer, during the fall, during like that transition period. I am in love with these. So I will definitely be keeping these. I am so out of breath. This is what happens when it's late at night. I get too excited about certain things and then I just keep going on and on and on. Let's move on to this. Oh, this is the maxi skirt. I'm not gonna unfold it because it was a pain in the butt to refold this. So that's gonna stay like that. I love that maxi skirt. That is the only maxi skirt I own. So I'm gonna be keeping that. Most of the decluttering is gonna happen in the closet, not so much over here. Okay, I guess you wanna come up here. So shorts. I only own 2 pairs of shorts. You know, this is making me sound very sad. I'm not. I buy too many tops and not enough bottoms, so there's a disparity between the two, and obviously now I'm overbuying bottoms to compensate. But this is one of the only pairs of shorts I own, and this light wash pair is the other only pair of short I own. So this was actually from Charlotte Russe, which went bankrupt and doesn't exist anymore. It's not the best quality pair of shorts you can get on the market, but it's good enough to last a summer or 2. But now I'm transitioning. I'm transitioning into much higher quality clothing, so that is gonna get booted as soon as I get a better piece of denim shorts. So this pair I actually bought off of Amazon a very long time ago. This is a size 3, which tells me this is juniors, which it definitely is juniors. And this pair has definitely faded a bunch. I washed it a lot. There's like sunscreen all over it from me going to the pool and crap like that. So this is just like a calm pool short. It's got cute embroidery on the sides if you can see. So I'm keeping that for now until I can replace that. Oh, this is a skirt from H&M. See, I've never worn this skirt because this is a size medium. And you know, if you are petite, even a small sometimes just doesn't fit you at the waist. So while this does fit over my butt and my thighs, my waist, I remember this is extremely loose. So I could get this hemmed, or not hemmed, sorry, tailored. Is the only little black skirt I own, so I do believe I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna put that in a different pile. That's not gonna go back in. I don't even remember the last time I wore this skirt. This was one of the first few pieces I bought from Forever 21, but I kinda do wanna keep it because, as you can see, I don't own a lot of shorts, so I think I'm gonna keep it because it's a nice pop of color in an otherwise very black and white bottom drawer. Like, look at this. It's mostly black and white and jean. So I'm gonna keep this. These I love for the summer. These kind of more cloth-like linen shorts. They're not the best quality. Again, I got these off of Amazon or Macy's. I don't quite remember, but they're not the best quality. They're definitely fraying around the edges, but they have had their use. They're not high-waisted. They're like a mid-rise, which makes me kind of look like I have a pooch when I don't have a pooch. But I'm gonna keep these to the side. I'm trying to do this declutter before fall comes and I take out all my fall clothing, so my summer clothing can be drastically reduced before it needs to be put into the storage box. So that's the goal today. I don't know how many clothing pieces I'm gonna get rid of. Oh, I do have another black skirt. Do I really need 2 of them? So either I get this one hemmed from H&M, or this one is from Forever 21 in a size extra small. This one I know fits me at the waist. Okay, I'm gonna keep the one that I don't have to spend extra money on because they're pretty much like the exact same quality. This one has a bit of a thicker waistband though. This one does a bit of no. Okay, stop. You gotta get rid of some things in life, and that is one of them. This is a pencil skirt from Forever 21 that I got a very long time ago as well. This is the only pencil skirt I own, so I won't be keeping it, especially when I have business casual occasions. This is definitely gonna be needed. And this, do you guys remember that dreaded skirt trend? Am I ever gonna wear these again? Like, honestly speaking, I got these dry clean. These are from Express years ago. Like years and years ago. Like, I love me a faux leather moment, but this type of skirt was very trendy, and now it is not. I believe it's time to let this one go. Okay, so we've cleared this section now. So here are my little circle skirts and pencil skirts. This is my jean shorts. And then these are my 2 other skirts. Whatever. Jean skirt and maxi skirt. That's literally all I own. Now my jean section is a little heftier. So let's start with this. I believe this is a thrifted pair of Banana Republic jeans in a size 0. See, the one thing I don't like about this is that they're low-waisted. Why did I buy these if they are low-waisted? Like, my ass is so stupid sometimes. And the back pockets are fake. Oh no, the back pockets aren't fake. Somebody just never cut them. They never cut them open. Oh my god, yeah. As you can see, the back pocket exists. It was just never cut open by whoever wore this. This is a size 0. I'm gonna try this one on. This is gonna be one that I'm gonna try on real quick. This is my disco pants. This is staying, for sure. These are Express jeans that have been worn to death. I don't know if you can see the rippling effect here, but this has been washed and worn and washed and worn so many times that it is falling apart. These are definitely too long for me too. This is the regular length, and I definitely need a short length for my petite ass frame. So I'm actually going to pass these along as well. And I believe I have another pair of, yeah, I do. I think they have the exact same issue. Yeah, but this one's less than this one. So I think I'm gonna keep one of these because I'm gonna need a pair of black jeans. Yeah, oh yeah, okay. So I am gonna need a pair of black jeans just for work and stuff like that. So I'm going to keep this for now. They're literally the exact same, 0R. And these will get donated as soon as I find myself a pair of black jeans that works for me. Ooh, these jeans I just bought, so they're definitely staying. These Levi's 314. Those are wonderful. These are also Levi's. These are the 711s, I believe. No, 720. High-rise, super skinny. This is more of a straight leg, this jean. So I guess I should be making a list of what I need to buy. I'm gonna make a mental list on this video right here. I need a pair of black jeans. I need a really good jean short, and that's all I have for now. So those are my 2 Levi's jeans. I have, ooh, these jeans are really, really old now. Actually, no, these are my most comfortable stretchy pair of dark wash jeans. I got these from Macy's. This is a junior size 3, so it fits my leg length, which is what matters. Actually, I think I still need to cuff it a little bit. So I'm actually going to keep this dark wash pair of jeans because I don't own any. But this one I have owned since freshman year of high school, when high-waisted jeans were first becoming a thing. Yeah, celebrity pink jeans. This is completely worn off. I am going to donate this because I don't like this 3-button, and there's a weird heart with a mustache, which just seems too juvenile for me, so I'm gonna donate these. Someone else can get better use out of them. So we moved on from jeans to pants now. So I don't have a lot of pants either. So these are from H&M. I love these. They're very long, they're very flowy. I just wore these today. These are amazing and comfortable and everything I want and more, even though they make my hips look even bigger than they are because I am so pear-shaped. I'm still in love with these and will definitely be keeping this pair. I have this pair of pants of this cargo utility trend. I actually really love the look of these in a dark khaki color. My only issue with them is that they're a little bit scratchy, but I don't think I've washed these yet. I've only worn them like once and I haven't washed them. So I think maybe if I wash them, use a bit of fabric softener, it might make it better. But I really love the look of these. This utility trend is really, really cute to me. So I'm gonna definitely be keeping that. These leggings, why are you down here? I know I don't like these leggings because they're really sheer. Yeah, they're from Express, so I thought they would be the same as my Holy Grail leggings, but these are very sheer and they're not as stretchy and comfortable. Like they're not as stretch as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate these so I can make room for cuter clothes in my wardrobe and more color. Like look at this, it's so drab. These I need to hem. I love the look of these. I don't know if you saw, but a few months ago I made this like January clothing haul. So this needs to be hemmed because they're flare leggings and they're just too long, but I love the look of them. And for fall, these would be gorgeous. So I'm gonna definitely be keeping that. And then my leather leggings, I'm not even gonna open these. I love these. I love the look of leather, so I'm definitely gonna keep that. I'm gonna try on these Banana Republic jeans and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Talking about these jeans, they're definitely low rise, as you can see. My belly button is right here. So they're low rise. Mid rise would be like here and then high rise would be above the belly button. They fit really well. They're the perfect leg length. There's just something off about them and I don't know what it is. Like something just looks off. Yeah, there's just something weird about these jeans and I'm not happy with them. They make me look like I have like love handles, like a little pooch here because they're a little bit too tight because they're so low rise and it just doesn't look flattering. So I'm gonna donate these as well. So that was literally it. That is the entirety of my bottoms here. I got rid of this entire pile. So this pile of clothing is leaving this closet and now we're gonna move on to the closet over there. That's gonna be a real doozy. So this video actually ended up dragging on for too long, so I've decided to split it into 2 parts. So this is going to be my bottoms, and then the next video, if you guys do want to see it, is going to be the actual closet. So please let me know in the comment section down below if you'd like to see the next part of this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!